Hello, welcome back. Our next video here is going to be about a whip with an inside underarm walk turn. Okay, it's like a walk. It's just really a turn. All right, and it's going to be 8 counts. So there's 2 walking steps in between your triples. All right. So this is a whip. No, I'm just kidding. Here we go. So whip with a underarm pass or turn. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, walk, triple step, rock step. Excellent. All right, let's bring her over here to this side. Give you another angle. Okay, ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, walk, triple step, rock step. Very cool. Now, one more time with my back to you. Ready? Basic first, and triple step, rock step, triple step, walk, triple step, rock step. Excellent. Nice and easy. So that's what you need to do. You need to practice this over and over, nice and easy. Okay? Take your time, enjoy. Again, go back to your private lesson style videos and get more content on how to do this. All right? See you back in a moment.